Well, I'm pretty excited. I've decided to join my first ever Buildathon. This one is AI build an app with Replit in 24 hours. I've never ever done a Buildathon before, and I saw this come up and I thought, well, look, I'm going to give it a go. I'm not a coder. I don't have that background. I'm reasonably good with computers. Delighted last year to find out that there's actually a word for people like me. We vibe code. So I was kind of delighted to find that out. I have made a few things in Replit before. I'll show you two of my projects. This one here was one of my first ones. It was Christmas, this says 2026, but I first made it Christmas 2025, so about 17, 18 months ago. And it plays some music. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but I don't know if you can hear that, but it's playing Jingle Bells. Next one plays We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Anyway, that was one of the first apps I did in Replit, probably the first app I did. And since then, I haven't done very many, I've got to say, but I've done that one. But the next one, which is a bit pertinent to this buildathon, is this dinner spinner. So if you spin this for dinner, it comes up with a few ideas for dinner. Now, I don't really like this one. I'm going to start it completely again. I'm not going to try and build from this one, but I'm going to start this one again. But the idea that I have for this buildathon is an idea I've had for a while, and it's based on this dinner spinner, is that you put your own dinners in that you like, your favorites, and you ask it's what are we going to do for tonight for dinner? It's the perennial question. And this, look, I know there's a few other dinner spinners apps out there, but this idea hasn't quite been done as I see it, as I see it at the moment that I see. So you spin it and it comes up with one from your list, but then also comes up from one from AI, so that you've always got a different idea that you might also consider. So it comes up with one of your tried and true ones, but also comes up with an additional one. So I'm going to try and do that. Well, I've learned a lot of things over the last year while I've been mucking around. But the two main things that I'm going to focus on in this initial phase is to get the design, the fonts, the colors, the design right from the start, because I understand that it's difficult to retrospectively fit design. It's better to get that done from the start. So I'm hoping to achieve that in my first stage of the buildathon. And also the second thing I'm trying to achieve is the minimum viable product. So I know that it's better to start with that real minimal and then add features as you go. So I don't know how I'm going to go with that, but that's my aim for the first hour or two. So wish me luck.